Here we have a Panasonic washing machine. This is a Panasonic model number and this is the kg. To start using it, open this door, put in your clothes, close it, open this small drawer over here. We have 3 sections. Put in your liquid detergent, powder detergent and the clothes softener. Close this. Press the on button. Here you can see multiple options and you can select the option that you want to go for. If it is a cotton, if it is sportswear, you can simply turn on the knob to the right or to the left and then press start. To pause it, you can use the same button and then you can switch it off.